Brown, friend of missing billionaire, says banging noises in Titanic submerge definitely sound human. An explorer who had only recently pulled out of an expedition on the Titanic tourist sub following safety concerns has shared his theory on the banging sounds rescuers are now focusing on. As the search for the missing OceanGate Titan submersible enters its fourth day, rescue efforts are now centered on a series of noises detected by sonar buoys on Tuesday and Wednesday. The sounds were heard in 30-minute intervals by a Canadian aircraft searching for the lost vessel, which failed to return on Sunday from a planned expedition to the Titanic wreckage located more than 3,800 meters below sea level. A group involved in the search, the Explorers Club, described the noises as likely signs of life. Chris Brown, an explorer and friend of missing passenger Hamish Harding, told KIIS 101.1's Jason Lauren on Thursday morning he wouldn't be surprised if Harding came up with the idea. Subscribe to our channel for the latest on your favorite celebrities. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.